Welcome back, and today we are going to see about Black & Decker vacuum cleaner. The model number is 1205. It works on directly the socket provided in the car 12-volt socket. I purchased it from Snapdeal for rupees 1300. Attractive color, quite a long wire, maybe 5 meters. This is the first attachment. This is for the places where the vacuum cleaner cannot reach on itself directly, corners. And this is the second attachment for upholstery, like cleaning the seats, cloth, material, whatever it is there. That was the on off button, and this is just to discard the dirt. This is the socket. I insert this. One precaution always should be taken, that never put on the vacuum cleaner when the engine is on, when the car is on running mode, or when the engine is on. Never use this machine. However, put it on the battery mode and then only you can use this. It lasts for about half an hour. The battery lasts for about half an hour when you are using this vacuum cleaner. Secondly, never pluck out that wire which is there into the socket. Just hold that connector and pull out the connector, not the wire. Alternatively, Maruti Suzuki also has brought up its product vacuum cleaner, which costs less, say around 1000 rupees. However, look wise is better, and the sturdiness also counts.